Hello everyone, welcome to my series on Excel formulas for data analysis. In this video, I will be covering very basic Excel formulas including SUMIF, count and COUNTIF. Let's understand each of these formulas with some examples. So in this video, we will be using the sample data set from supermarket sales that you see behind me. I will also drop a link to this dataset so you can also download the same dataset and practice whatever you learn in this video. So this dataset will allow us to answer very basic business questions. That would be first would be what is the total quantity sold using sum. Second would be what is the total quantity sold for health and beauty product line using SUMIF. Third would be what is the total invoice generated using count, and fourth would be what is the total number of invoices generated for health and beauty product line using COUNTIF. So first up is sum. Sum allows us to add a range of cells. If you have a column of numbers and you want to know the total for the same, then you can quickly do it through the sum formula. In this data set, we have the first question, that is what is the total number of quantities sold. We can answer this question with the help of sum formula. Let me just quickly write the formula by hitting equal to sign. You need to type sum. You will get the drop down. You can select from those. Right now we need sum, so I'll just click on sum, and we want to know the total quantity sold. So I will click on the quantity column, that is H column, and I want to sum the entire quantity column. So I will close the parenthesis and hit enter. This will give me the total number of quantity sold. Next we have SUMIF. It is similar to sum. It also allows us to add a range of cells but with a specific condition. So as an example, we have a question here, that is what is the total number of quantities sold for health and beauty product line. So I will simply write the SUMIF formula by hitting equal to SUMIF. I will select SUMIF from the drop down. The good thing here is you will, when you're typing the formula, it will also show you the syntax of the formula to help you get the correct answer. So it says that first would be the range, second would be our criteria, and the third would be the sum range. So our range is the product line column. So I will simply click on product line column. I will type my criteria, that is I want to know sales for health and beauty products. So health and beauty, and I will select the sum range. The sum range would be quantity column because I want to know total quantity sold, and I will hit enter again, and this will give me the total quantity sold for health and beauty products. Third we have is count formula, which allows you to count the numbers of cell in a given range that contains number. With count, it is important to know that you cannot count if a column has text. So in here, as an example, we want to count what is the total number of invoices generated. So I will start with equal to sign, start writing count, select from the drop down, and I will simply select the quantity column and close the parenthesis. This will give us the number of invoices generated, that is 1000. Finally, we have COUNTIF formula, which is similar to count, but it also takes into account a specific condition, and it also considers the text column. So in here we will be answering the question, that is what is the total number of invoices that were generated for health and beauty products. So I will type equal to, start writing count, select COUNTIF from the drop down menu. My range would be the product line column, and my criteria would be health and beauty product line. So I will close the parenthesis and hit enter. This will give me the total number of invoices that were generated for this particular product line. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand the basic Excel formulas for data analysis. In the upcoming videos, I will be coming up with more advanced functions and formulas. Meanwhile, if you want to practice, you can download the sample dataset from the link in the description. Also, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.